I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the keyboard type and gathering what you need. If it is Bluetooth, make sure the keyboard has power and pair mode. If USB, attach a reliable OTG adapter. Once done, unlock your Redmi Note 5 Pro and open settings so you can toggle connections quickly. Make sure Bluetooth is on for wireless tests, or enable USB OTG support in developer options when using wired keyboards. This avoids confusion later. Now you perform the actual connection. For Bluetooth, open settings, tap Bluetooth, scan, and select the keyboard. Accept pairing codes or PIN prompts. This associates the device securely. For wired keyboards, plug the keyboard into the OTG adapter, connect to the phone, and wait for the input service to recognize it. You should see cursor movement or typing. After connection, test in a Note app, and then adjust layout and language in settings, finish by verifying all keys and special functions work. Install any companion app for extended features if needed. Once done, customize key repeat rate and language settings so typing feels natural. If something fails, reboot the phone and repair, because that often clears driver quirks. Make sure your OTG adapter is OTG certified, swap batteries, or test the keyboard on a PC to isolate faults. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset keyboard Bluetooth and try again. This usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.